Our dishwashers can get dishes so clean, you can see your next culinary adventure in them. With a single press of a button, your last dinner party disappears. The ProWash cycle automatically senses the soil level on your dishes and selects the best cycle. That means zero guesswork, and that your dishes will shine at your next get-together. Clean water creates clean dishes. Using breakthrough maintenance-free filter technology, our clean water wash system continuously washes the water. This results in better performance under the heaviest loads. Now, the water is spotless before it makes your dishes clean. Dirty dishes have no place to hide with the dynamic wash arm. It's 9 wash arms in one, and its unique design directly sprays water everywhere in the dishwasher, providing more than 3 times the coverage. Now you can put plates in the corner with confidence. The advanced Pro Dry system completes the cycle with dishes so dry, they're ready for your next creation. Our industry-first system delivers the best drying performance using a fan that circulates the air from a recessed heating element without extending the length of the cycle. Now you can go from the dishwasher to the table. What comes out of our dishwashers? A blank canvas for your next party, get-together, or gathering. This is how KitchenAid cleans.